So I'm having an issue. I have a bunch of these. I don't know if you have the same problem, where the clip either so worn, doesn't go up anymore. There's no more spring to it. This one's got a little bit left, but it's not there anymore. So when you plug in the Ethernet cable, nothing. So I purchased these things. I never even knew they existed. I just looked online how to repair these, and this came up, which is great. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, break it off. Now it doesn't have any. So it's a pack of 50, order them on Amazon. At the end I'll have all the paperwork, and below I'll have the link to this specific one that I purchased. So these are them. So you get a close-up shot of these things. Much more springy clip for your Ethernet connection. I'm an Ethernet guy still. I only use the Wi-Fi on devices that don't have Ethernet connections, but my computers all run on Ethernet directly to the modem of the my service provider. So this is it right here, and let's see. I'm assuming it's going to take the place. That's pretty cool. So this is the whole design behind it. I wish I would have thought of this. I didn't even know this existed. Okay. That way, no. And you get past that. Hold on. I think it clips on top, from the top. And there it goes. It clips right on. Ah, perfect. Right here. Yep, right there. So it clips on. Alright, it clips on, stays on. And now you have the clip that'll go in. And you just replaced it. That was a great idea. I wish I would have thought of that. There's a few of them I need to replace because they're kind of just stuck inside my switch ports and not so again, let's break this off. And all you do is clip them on. Oh, wrong way. Awesome. That's it. Wow, that was pretty easy. And it'll clip on. So this one is just hanging off. I actually wire tied other cables to have a clip on. And it clipped very well. It's not broken, to hold this in. So I'm going to replace this just to make sure I'm still getting connectivity and that there's no blockage or any stopping of data getting through. So now that it's unclipped, this should just slide right off. See? So that's the live one that I have. So I'm going to make sure that when I use them, there's going to be no issues. So let me just cut this. All right, smoothed it out. Got a lot of that stuff off. All right, and let's see. All perfect. It fit just fine. I guess you can't have that little clip thing on. It's great because the end meets right here, as you can see. It meets the original. This is the original. And it bumps up against it. It gets even underneath. It has like a little slot. What a great idea. See that slot right there? I can't. Right there. So it can slide underneath. And it stays in place. Okay, let's plug it in. Okay, I have green lights. It's connectivity. Let's try it on the PC. Okay, I have connectivity. Speed test is showing connectivity. It's the download. No issues whatsoever. And the next will be the upload. If you're wondering, this is Fios Fiber. 1 gig up and 1 gig down. Awesome ISP. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.